Just wanted to tell you about Amrit Jalam. In this particular farm, we have applied Amrit Jalam when the crop was having only 4 to 5 leaves. First dosage was given at an age of around 15 days after initial transplantation, and subsequently after every 2 to 3 weeks we have been applying Amrit Jalam. We have seen excellent growth in this particular field, in this particular crop, and we have also noticed that such sort of similar activity has been seen in crops like brinjal and chilli, cotton. Generally the dosage of Amrit Jalam is 2.5 ml per liter of water, and what we have noticed, the effect on the crop is visible within 7 to 8 days. What actually happens in Amrit Jalam is it increases the photosynthetic activity of the plant by increasing the chlorophyll content. As the chlorophyll increases, the metabolism of the plant also increases multifold, and as a result there is an increase in nutrient absorption by the plant, and as a result the plant growth and vigor is noticed, and the amount of growth is really noticeable within 7 to 10 days. This particular farm, the crop is around 2 months old, and it has a life, as per the farmer, for another at least 3 months. Because of using Amrit Jalam, the crop is able to give us more number of cuttings. What the farmer is doing is basically after every 2 to 3 cuttings he is applying Amrit Jalam at the rate of 500 ml per acre. And as this plant's life is getting extended because of use of Amrit Jalam, initial input costs are being saved. Otherwise, another 15 to 20 days, if he has not used Amrit Jalam, he would have completely destroyed this particular crop and he would have started off with new crop. But since the yield is so good, the farmer is continuing with this particular crop, and he is happy that for another 3 to 4 months he will be able to continuously take yield, and as a result of very few input costs he will be able to achieve good profits.